Waro mwana zai kagadzwa yete. Kagadzwa yete. Anga jizere kada kurwa zai.
Mama. Hi guys. Today it's me, it's not SIS MELLY. Nicki Minaj is that you?
People are like, come to me.
Shakira the naughty girl, I'm just seeing that egg prank. I'm gonna go to the next side.
Can I Jimmy guys? And I don't put it aside. I'm sure Mema and I can Jimmy guys.
Hi guys, how are you guys? For those who don't know me, I'm Shakira. Ooh. More pranks, Shakira, keep us entertained. I'm coming with them. It's just that Mama goes to work with the phone I use for the videos. She goes to work with it, so I don't have time to be taking prank videos. Shakira, create your page. First of all, I'm not allowed to have Facebook, but I do have an Instagram page and a TikTok page.
Facebook is a no.
Yeah. Thank you.
Shakira's new name is called Range Tange. Tenge. Tange. What's the name of that guy? Tenge.
The one for the Uber.
Tenge.
Wamsoro waka Uber kare. And his sister again. Guys, I'm SIS MELLY's twin, not SIS MELLY. So today, I decided to take my mom out. I decided to take SIS MELLY out for, just girls out. Ooh, my son is 17 and I told him not to. Besides my mom's saying about Facebook, I personally would not want to have Facebook. Yeah. I took my mom out. So basically, I took her to just, chill, movie night. You guys, leave my hairstyle alone. It's popping. It's giving. I'm not a person who likes being around noise, so I would prefer just to watch a movie instead of. When my mom when she has this feeling of not going to a certain place, she's not gonna go. She's not. That wig is making you look old. You are beautiful, but the wig is not giving back. Whether it's giving or not, I'm wearing it, and there's nothing I can do about it. I love it. I love it. Mama, why are you popping it? Kelly's already watching her movie. Yeah, she's with her friend today, so they're already watching their movie. It has already started. We are just sitting here waiting for our movie to start.
Did you know that China makes fake babies? Yes.
We are watching
Long leg.
Long Legs. Long Legs. Shakira sounds like a real South African girl from Rustenburg. Yeah, you know, I grew up there, so and I want to change the accent so bad. You know, when you're talking to someone, when you want to go in the shop and you want to buy something, and I'm speaking with this accent, it's not make sure. Okay, but we are 24/7. Kemutuan. What time?
No sure. He said 20 minutes, huh? It's not yet 20 minutes yet.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Is it not yet time?
Huh?
Is it not yet time?
No. It's not. It's not.
Name the Japanese popcorn, the band of just a tanka. Popcorn is a appearance that
7:40.
7:40.
Yeah.
I don't want to get pizza popcorn. You never my pizza. Come with us, 7:40. What do you need?
There's 203. Why do people feel comfortable eating on live? The chewing irritates. Enjoy the movie, Nana.
If it irritates, just don't watch the live. Then you come back when people are done eating.
Simple. Should I repeat? If you don't like it, just leave. You come back when we are not eating. And everyone. Exactly. And I don't like this thing of people asking me where am I from. How is that your business? You're asking me where am I from. So I just want to speak with that accent. You look like your mother. She's my mother, what can I say? We are going for a movie, and which one are you going to watch? We are watching Long Legs. Yeah.
Okay, Mama kumba chakariba ushkapata.
Mama, mapopo nachapera singai mama.
Kasika da guys the morning amire mapopcorn the ones na ndingoda ndangochengeta. Aiwa kan. Datore halfway now so
Get a friend who's not from Zim with a British accent, it will help. I'll try to get a friend. But I'm not into friends, but I'll try. I don't do friends. I'd rather be in my room with the Wi-Fi and my phone. I'm fine. I don't need friends. Yo, people are so wrong. I don't know that. This is wrong, bro. Show all the love. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I have individual lashes. I bought them on Shein, yeah. I bought them on Shein, and I love them because like the way they feel, like they're so soft, and like the way they look. The little one, she's already watching a movie. It has already started. Keep it that way. Friends are rubbish nowadays. Woo! Tell me about it. Friends will throw you under the table. Friends will leave you in the desert without water. Let me tell you. So I'm not a fan of friends. I'd rather stay at home making videos with my mom, my skits.
Hello. Hi.
I'm enjoying this live. I like checking on you. I wish you the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll try. I'll try to get a friend who speaks like that, but
Love you guys.
we're good friends at university, don't worry. Yo, how do you like to be called? Anything nice, man. No. Sweet, your mom? Yeah, my mom is my best friend. She's my best friend, so. I'm not going to Zim Fest, guys. I'm not. I don't like noise, and my mom has this feeling of not going, so we're not going. How will you describe your mom in one sentence? Woo! She's everything. Guys, you see this woman? This woman is everything to me, this one. She's my life. She's my everything. That's my best friend, guys. That's my best friend. Kelly is watching her movie. We couldn't watch with her because the age. Why are you praising your mom too much? Because I love her. I love her so much. What movie are you we're gonna watch Long Legs. Thank you. Mama ndaku doktora emapokoni.
Ujatinga mama kana
Guys, you'll have a problem with my wig. Leave my hair alone. Leave my hair alone. I look amazing. If I can go out of the house looking like this, just know that in my eyes, I look amazing. I look perfectly stunning. And no one is gonna come to me and tell me my hair looks like wara wara. That's not me. I don't take anyone's negative comments, affect me. No. Check out, what other language do you speak other than English and Setswana and Shona? Ek praat Afrikaans, and I don't know, like Zulu and Xhosa. I mix the two together because, like, I don't know, I just mix the two together. But I can speak both actually. Like, for me, I feel like I can speak both, but I just don't know which one is which. You look good, Han. Thank you. Yo. Guys. How old are you? I'm 17. I'm 17. What's up, Afura? We have to go exactly at 7:40. Tashu ikato mogara futhi nofunga dzimwe 15 minutes but ita advert. Yeah. Anzi na mapa na ndo vatengera mapopcorn vapedza. Imagine this whole packet. I'm going to chill like a zar. But I'm going to need another drink. You have to wait a bit. Yeah. Mama, look at Mirenzio. Look at Mirenzio, look at Duava. Wig. Guys, I look fine. Man, leave me alone. Are you going to school, girl? I'm going to school in September. Alright, guys.